Assalamualaikum. Today we have to study cyclic quadrilaterals. Okay. Before we are going to study cyclic quadrilateral, we will go through what is a quadrilateral. Okay. Quadrilateral means a four-sided closed rectilinear plan figure is known as a quadrilateral. Okay. You have already known what is the meaning of rectilinear plan figure. Rectilinear plan figure means the straight line segments. Okay, only straight line segments are used to make a closed figure. We are calling it as rectilinear plan figures. Okay, so quadrilateral means a four-sided closed rectilinear plan figure is known as quadrilateral. If all four vertices of a quadrilateral, there are four vertices for a quadrilateral and four-sided. If all four vertices lies on a circle, that means if all four vertices lies on the circles means we are calling that as a cyclic quadrilateral. Okay, what is the meaning of cyclic quadrilateral? Means if all four vertices of a quadrilateral lies on the circle means we are calling it as a cyclic quadrilateral. Okay, we'll go through an example. Okay, here see. Here it is clear the quadrilateral ABCD. Here the quadrilateral ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral because it's all four vertices A, B, C and D. All four vertices lies on the circle. So this is ABCD is known as a cyclic quadrilateral. Okay, we will move to one more example. Go through this diagram and see. Can you notice? Okay, here in this quadrilateral PQRS quadrilateral, here also this is also cyclic quadrilateral because all four vertices lie on the circle. So this is also a cyclic quadrilateral. Okay, let us move to another example. Here the quadrilateral, here see. You can see here the quadrilateral KLMN is not a cyclic quadrilateral. Why there is not a cyclic quadrilateral? The one vertex, the vertex N is lies outside the circle. Okay, even though other three vertices K, L and M are on the circle, the one and only vertex, that is N, lies outside the circle. So this is not a cyclic quadrilateral. Okay, we will move to another example. Okay, you can go through this. You see STUV is also not a cyclic quadrilateral. Why this is not a cyclic quadrilateral means here the vertex S, T and U are on the circle, but the vertex V lies inside the circle. Therefore, this is not a cyclic quadrilateral. Okay, you have to. That is a clear definition for what is a cyclic quadrilateral. Okay, we will study the theorem related to cyclic quadrilaterals. Okay, we are going to study the theorem related to cyclic quadrilateral. Okay, in a cyclic quadrilateral, the opposite angles are supplementary. In a cyclic quadrilateral, the opposite angles are supplementary. You know what is the meaning of supplementary? Supplementary means the opposite angles added up to 180 degrees. That's what this in a cyclic quadrilateral, the opposite angles are supplementary, or else opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilaterals are supplementary. That is the theorem we are going to study here. Okay. So we will work out the example. We'll work out an example to make the theorem more clear. Can you go through this example? Here ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral because all four vertices lie on the circle. So find the value of x and y. How to find the value of x and y? We have to use the theorem what we studied now. That is, in a cyclic quadrilateral, the opposite angles are supplementary. Here the opposite angles are A and C are opposite angles, those are supplementary, and B and D are opposite angles. In a cyclic quadrilateral, opposite angles are supplementary. Supplementary means added up to 180 degrees. So this is an opposite angle A and C are opposite angles. So x plus 2x, x plus 2x is equals to supplementary added up to 180 degree. X plus 2x is 3x, 3x is equals to 180 degree means 1x is equals to 180 divided by 3 is 60 degree. The value of x is 60 degree. We can use the theorem. We use the theorem here. What is the theorem we used? In a cyclic quadrilateral, opposite angles are supplementary. In other opposite angles, B and D are opposite angles. Therefore, y plus 70 is equals to 180 degree. Okay, so how to find the value of y? How can you find the value of y? That means plus 70 taking to the side is minus 70. Y is equals to 180 minus 70 is y is equals to 110 degree. Okay, what is the theorem we studied is in a cyclic quadrilateral, the opposite angles are supplementary. A and C are opposite, B and D are opposite. Supplementary means added up to 180 degree. Okay, thank you very much.